We all love our brother, but saving his contact as just brother is a major sibling fail. Here's how to come up with a nickname that actually fits his personality. If he always has your back, go for something cute like Ace, Dimples, or Button. If your relationship is a bit more chaotic, get savage with Fridgerator, Mom and Dad's Accident, or He Who Owes Me $20. Got a respectable older bro? Try Big Kahuna or Boss Man. Little brother? Go with Boss Baby or Little Bro Peep. You can even use pop culture classics like McLovin and Yoda. Or get clever with nicknames like Brohamid Ali or Prometheus. Just keep it short, snappy, and based on an inside joke. Most importantly, make sure he's actually cool with it so you don't start a family war. Now, go update that contact card.